Okay, students, we continue problems under type 8. Type 8 problems are concerned with integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash x, that is equal to e power x into f of x. We have some more examples, and this is class number 23. We are in type 8 problems, continuation of type 8 problems. And type 8 concerned with integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x, that is equals to e power x into f of x. Already we solved some examples in this type. We have some evaluate. Integration. Evaluate integration e power x into x minus 3 whole divided by x minus 1 whole square. In fact, x minus 1 whole cube dx. First step, take I. Let I equal to integration of x minus 3 divided by x minus 1 whole cube. Next step, integration e power x into, we shall write x minus 3 as x minus 1 minus 2 divided by x minus 1 whole cube. We shall separate the terms because a minus b by c is a by c minus b by c, that is equal to integration e power x into bracket. When the first term separated, x minus 1 will cancel out 1 by x minus 1 whole square. Next term minus 2 divided by x minus 1 whole cube. That is equal to integration e power x into bracket 1 by x minus 1 whole square. Minus will be written as plus of minus 2 divided by x minus 1 whole cube. And observe, this is f of x, this will be f dash x, because d by dx of 1 by u square. What is the answer for this? Minus 2 divided by u cube into u dash. That is by composite function differentiation. So now this will be going to become f of x, so that this can be equal to exactly f dash of x. Using right now this formula, answer I equal to e power x into f of x. Means e power x into 1 by x minus 1 whole square. That is e power x divided by x minus 1 whole square plus c. Next problem. So in these type of problems, adjustment is very crucial. Adjustment so as to get f of x plus f dash x. But within reach it is. Next problem. Find or evaluate integration e power x into bracket x square plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square. And one more thing, keep in mind, 99% times no problem will be of this type. You need to transfer to this type by using proper steps or proper skills. That is only important. Right now it is not in the format of f of x plus f dash x, so we shall adjust to this format with some suitable steps. Integration e power x into bracket. With x square I subtract 1 and I add 1. So in the numerator add 1, subtract 1, there is plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square. That is equal to integration e power x into bracket x square minus 1, 1 means 1 square, plus 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by x plus 1 whole square. It is just like a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. That is equal to integration e power x into bracket a plus b into a minus b, a plus b is x plus 1, a minus b is x minus 1 plus 2 divided by x plus 1 whole square. Now separating terms, because a plus b by c is a by c plus b by c. That is equal to integration e power x into bracket x plus 1 x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square. Second term will be 2 divided by x plus 1 whole square. That is I equal to integration e power x into bracket. Here one factor of x plus 1 cancel out, leaving out x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 plus 2 divided by x plus 1 whole square. It can be easily observed when we apply quotient rule, what we get x plus 1 whole square, same thing in denominator, easily we can tell that this is f of x, this will be f dash x. Even then we shall take it separately. Let f of x equal to x minus 1 by x plus 1. So that f dash x will be given by using quotient rule. Denominator whole square. Then denominator multiplied by differentiation of x minus 1 is 1. Neglected, okay, right? Minus numerator x minus 1 into differentiation of x plus 1 is also 1. Simplify. X plus 1 into 1 is x plus 1. Here minus x minus minus plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. X cancels. 1 plus 1, 2. So f dash x equal to 2 divided by x plus 1 whole square. Hence, this bracket will be f of x and other bracket will be f dash x. Now it is in the form integration e power x into f of x plus f dash x, hence I equals to e power x into f of x, or I equals to e power x into x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 plus c. Next problem, find or evaluate. You please continue problem number, maybe 8th, 9th, you don't know that. You please go on maintaining that number of problems. Next problem, find integration e raised to x into log x plus 1 by x square. Solution, take I. Let I equal to integration e power x into bracket log x plus 1 by x square. If it were log x plus 1 by x, directly, because fx will be log x, so that f dash x will be 1 by x. But we have 1 by x square, not 1 by x. And more importantly, log x differentiation is 1 by x, and 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x square. Keeping that in mind, here we add and subtract 1 by x. Within bracket, add and subtract 1 by x. Like this, integration e raised to x into bracket log x, add 1 by x, subtract 1 by x, and there is already 1 by x square, don't forget that. Noting in mind, differentiation of log x is 1 by x, differentiation of minus 1 by x is plus 1 by x square. So we shall combine the terms in this fashion. I equal to integration e power x into bracket, first write log x minus 1 by x in a bracket preferably, followed by other terms are plus 1 by x plus 1 by x square. So now it is exactly in the form of e raised to x into f of x plus f dash of x. Since log x differentiation 1 by x minus 1 by x differentiation is plus 1 by x square, hence answer e raised to x into f of x, or e raised to x into log x minus 1 by x plus constant. Next problem. Under this time period, and after this we have a very important concept that is what it is called by the name definite integrals. But after this concept completion. Find or evaluate integration e raised to theta into bracket 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta d theta. In this problem, variable is theta. Does not make any difference. Let I. That is equal to now integration e power theta into 1 minus sin theta formula is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Divided by 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. Separating terms by LCM rule, integration e power theta into bracket first term 1 divided by 2 sin square theta by 2 minus another one 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 divided by sin square theta by 2. I mean 2 sin square theta by 2. So, I equal to integration 1 by sin square theta by 2 written as cosec square theta by 2 along with half means e power theta into bracket 1 by 2 into cosec square theta by 2. Here 2 cancels, 1 sin theta by 2 cancels, left is minus cos theta by 2 divided by sin theta by 2. So, I equal to integration e power theta into bracket 1 by 2 into cosec square theta by 2 minus cos theta by 2 by sin theta by 2 will become cot theta by 2. You can write first minus cot theta by 2 next to 1 by 2 into cosec square theta by 2 for even better understanding sake. E power theta into minus cot theta by 2 plus 1 by 2 into cosec square theta by 2. Now observe what is the differentiation of cot minus cosec square. What is the differentiation of minus cot plus cosec square? So this is nothing but f of theta. So that this will be exactly m dash of theta. F of theta including minus sign. Or else take minus common, then f of theta become plus cot theta by 2, f dash theta become minus 1 by 2 into cosec square theta by 2. Hence it is in the form of integration e power x into f of x plus f dash x. Answer e power x into f of x means here equal to e power theta into f of theta. That is e power theta into f of theta is minus cot theta by 2 plus constant. That's the final answer. Next question. Five. Find or evaluate integration e raised to x into evaluate integration e raised to x into bracket log sin x plus cot x. This is straightforward. Not much adjustment required. I equals to integration. We know that what is integration of cot x? Log sin x. Obviously, what's the differentiation of log sin x? Cot x. Hence, we shall take f of x equal to log sin x, so that f dash x will become cot x. It is log of sin x plus cot x without any kind of adjustment. Notice that you can't take f of x as cot x because differentiation of cot x is not log sin x, it is minus cos x square x. Whereas differentiation of log sin x will be definitely cot x, because when we differentiate log sin x, 1 by sin into cos, cos by sin is cot. So this is f of x. This will be f dash x. Answer e raised to x into f of x. That is e raised to x into log sin x plus c. Next problem. 5. Find integration e raised to tan inverse x into bracket 1 plus x divided by 1 plus x square dx. Take I. Let I equal to given integration problem. Next step, and you call this as 1. We shall go for a substitution method. We shall put x equal to tan theta. Put x equal to tan theta. Differentiate dx by d theta equal to secant square theta. From this, only dx equal to secant square theta d theta. So that now integration 1 changes. Therefore now 1 changes to I equals to integration e power. What is tan theta? X. What is theta? Tan inverse of x. Means it becomes e power theta. Into bracket 1 plus x means tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta into secant square theta d theta. Further, how much 1 plus tan square theta secant square theta, that is equal to integration e power theta into bracket 1 plus tan theta divided by secant square theta, all that is multiplied by secant square theta. LCM is secant square theta into 1 is secant square theta, that is equal to integration e power theta into bracket secant square theta plus tan theta divided by secant square theta, and all that is multiplied by secant square theta. So that secant square theta will cancel out. And finally, I becomes integration e power theta into bracket first write tan theta, then write secant square theta. So that it is exactly in the form of e power theta into f of theta plus f dash theta. This will be f of theta. So that this will be definitely f dash of theta. F of theta is tan theta. F dash theta will be secant square theta. Answer e power theta into tan theta. But replace back value of theta. What is theta? Tan inverse of x. Or what is tan theta? X. So I equal to e power tan inverse x into x plus. Writing systematically, I equal to x into e power tan inverse x plus. Next problem. Find or evaluate integration e power x into bracket 1 minus x or x minus 1 divided by x square plus 1 complete whole square. Take I. Let I equal to integration e power x into a by b whole square is a square by b square, means it is x minus 1 whole square divided by x square plus 1 whole square. In the numerator we apply a minus b whole square formula, that is equal to integration e power x into bracket on using here a minus b whole square formula, a square x square b square 1 2ab is minus 2x divided by x square plus 1 whole square. Next up, by past examples experience, you can expect that separate. When split the terms, first term when we split x square plus 1 cancels, second term 2x by x square plus 1 whole square. So I equal to integration e power x into bracket first term after separation 1 by x square plus 1 Next minus 2x by x square plus 1 whole square. That is I equal to integration e power x into bracket 1 by x square plus 1 minus, I am writing as preferably plus of minus 2x by x square plus 1 whole square. Recall composite function differentiation 1 by u. Differentiation of 1 by u is minus 1 by u square into u dash. So that this is f of x. This will be exactly f dash of x. Because differentiation of 1 by x square plus 1 will become minus 2x by x square plus 1 whole square. Finally, e power x, it is just like integration e power x into f of x plus f dash x, that is equal to e power x into f of x. And what is f of x? F of x is 1 by x square plus 1, so it is e power x divided by x square plus 1 plus c. Next problem, under type 8. Find integration e power x into 2021 plus tan x plus tan square x. Let I equal to, that is equal to integration e power x into bracket 2021 plus tan x, no changes. Tan square x means secant square x minus 1. Why we return means because differentiation of tan x is in the form of secant square x. That is equal to integration e power x into bracket 2021 minus 1 will become 2020. That is present here plus tan x plus secant square x. Actually, differentiation of tan x is secant square x. But there comes a question, what about 2020 adjustment? And after all, differentiation of 2020 also 0. That's 0. Hence, we merge 2020 with f of x. Take f of x as 2020 plus tan x, so that f dash x becomes secant square x. F of x is 2020 plus tan x. And after differentiation, on differentiation f dash x, differentiation of 2020 is 0 because it is constant. Differentiation of tan x is secant square x. What is the answer? E power x into f of x plus, or e power x into 2020 plus tan x plus c. Like this, one can put a number of problems under this type with own mind only, but that requires more caution also. When you put the question, you have to get solution. That's very important. Still, we have some more questions, but importantly, bringing to this form is important. What is the form? E power x into fx plus f dash x form. Next problem, evaluate or integrate or find antiderivative or find or obtain integral of. So many words can be given, but for all them, method of solving is unique. Integrate. E power x into bracket 5 minus cot x plus cot square x. So we start from I. Let I equal to integration e power x into 5 minus cot x plus cot square x. Keep in mind that differentiation of cot x is minus cosec square x, and differentiation of minus cot x will be plus cosec square x. We shall use cot square theta formula. Our cot square A formula is how much? Cosec square A minus 1. That is e power x into bracket 5 minus cot x plus cot square x means cosec square x minus 1. So that 5 minus 1 will become 4. Integration e power x into 4 minus cot x written in bracket specifically plus cosec square x separately. And observe, differentiation of 4, 0. Understood? Differentiation of minus cot x will be plus cosec square x. So that this bracket will be f of x and second term will be exactly f dash x. It is in the form of integration e power x into f of x plus f dash x. Answer e power x into f of x, that is e power x into f of x becomes now e power x into 4 minus cot x plus c. Next problem, find or evaluate integration e raised to x into 1 plus x whole cube dx. If there were no cube directly of that type, because differentiation of x is 1, because of cube, directly that formula cannot be applied. We use a plus b whole cube formula. A plus b whole cube formula is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Hence, I equal to integration e power x into a cube 1 cube 1 b cube x cube 3a square b 3x 3ab square will become 3x square. Observe, differentiation of x cube 3x square, it is there. Differentiation of 3x is 3, it is not there, but we can get 3 here. So we add 3, subtract 3, or 1 can be written as 3 minus 2. Choice is yours. That is equal to integration e power x into bracket x cube plus 3x. Then plus 3x square plus 3 x cube return same, 3x return same thing, 3x square return exactly same thing, only one written as 3 means how many extra? 2 extra, subtract by 2. But all this is one complete term and break into 2 parts. One part x cube plus 3x, other part will be 3x square plus 3, and we open the bracket at the same time from e power x. Hence, I equal to integration e power x into bracket x cube plus 3x in the bracket plus 3x square plus 3 in another bracket. Then e raised to x into minus 2 will become minus 2 e raised to x. So we shall break into 2 integrations. All this is one integration. Next one is second integration. Finally, e power x into bracket x cube plus 3x plus 3x square plus 3 dx. One integration minus 2 into integration of e power x dx, other integration. So that now this is f of x, this will be f dash x. Here what is the answer? E power x into f of x means e power x x cube plus 3x minus 2 into. Here normal integration. Integration of e power x is e power x plus c. And f of x means x cube plus 3x. Final answer, e power x can be taken as common if you want. E power x common. F of x is x cube plus 3x minus 2 plus c. So these some questions you try yourself in this type. Evaluate integration e power x into 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x. Exactly similar to earlier problems. Try yourself. Integration e power x into bracket sec x into 1 plus tan x. E raised to x into bracket x cube plus x plus 1 divided by x square plus 1 to the power of 3 by 2. Here, little bit extra efforts you have to put. I give the hint. Take common x square plus 1, separate 1 factor of x square plus 1, cancel empty root of x square plus 1. Then you will get f of x plus f dash x. So next class, we will be concerned with an important concept, that is definite integrals. We shall meet in the next class, that is 24th class. Thank you.